Hello, I'm Marshall Goldsmith. I'm a member of the Thinkers 50 Hall of Fame, the only two-time number one leadership thinker in the world, and I've been ranked number one executive coach in the world for years. I'm an author of 4 New York Times bestsellers, including What Got You Here, Won't Get You There, and Triggers. And I do coaching. I've had the privilege of coaching some of the top leaders around the world. I am so happy that I get to work with Dr. Peter Chee. We are currently coaching one of the very top leaders in Asia right now. We've had a great experience, great results. I think it's wonderful, wonderful what we're doing. We did a book together called 5 Levels of Mastery, a wonderful book.
Hello, I'm Dr. Peter Chee, and I have the honor of being ranked number 1 strategic innovation coach and number 2 global coaching guru. I'm happy to share with you about my book, The 5 Levels of Mastery, co-authored with Dr. Marshall Goldsmith and Ngui. This book brings together all our expertise, insights, and wisdoms from decades of experience in developing leaders around the world. 5 Levels of Mastery is created with complementary solutions that serve as your compass, companion, and coach throughout your life's voyage for greater love, happiness, and success. We have left no stone unturned in sharing with you the most important things that we have learned and applied for more than 100 years of our cumulative experience globally. We have used it in our own life to enable us to get to where we are. We continue to apply them to make an even bigger difference to our world. We've imparted this know-how to our loved ones, friends, clients, and community, and we have seen tremendous benefits. We believe you can make them work for you too. This work is also based on our extensive experience and practice in coaching, mentoring, and training leaders from over 80 countries. In helping people, we discovered what worked wonders to produce outstanding results. This book helps people fill their lives with joy, purpose, practice empowering habits, live fulfilling lives that inspire others. Ultimately, we will also be equipping you to mentor, coach, and multiply your greatness abundantly to those around you to make your world a better place.
This book really goes into detail about what you can do, not only to be a good coach, but help you develop as a better leader and ultimately as a better person. Very, very happy to work with Dr. Peter Chee. Very happy to be a collaborator on this book. I think you're going to love it.
The more you impart, the more you learn. The more you give, the more you receive. Greatness that you will experience in your amazing life. We are grateful to you for allowing us to join you on this transformational journey, and we are so excited to add as much value as we can to you to pursue your highest vision.
You will discover decades of experience and invaluable lessons from developing leaders around the world. This book is going to help you be a better leader. It's going to help you help others be better leaders. We have held nothing back in sharing what we know with you. This is because we want you to live your best life.
The 5 Levels of Mastery contains cutting-edge toolkit. You can download and use these practical, powerful tools provided to enable you to accelerate your achievements. An engaging mobile app, Let's Coach app, enables you to receive virtual coaching from the authors, gain constant updates and new insights for continuous growth. A robust methodology. We mentor you to master the disciplines by sharing best practices, inspiring cases, proven techniques that inspire transformation. Contemporary models. Intensify your learning, your insightful models designed to show you how to get from where you are to where you want to be. Discovery assessments enable you to discover the priorities requiring your focus and the gaps needed to close on your journey towards abundance. Transformational coaching. Expertly crafted coaching questions in end of every chapter triggers your creative and innovative thinking to discover breakthrough solutions. Results-based action plan. Craft your strategies, tactics, and action steps that you can take for massive execution. We believe 5 Levels of Mastery will be your game-changing and life-changing resource. Pick up your copy on Amazon.com today.